Hello everyone, welcome to this series on famous villains in the plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the characters of Goneril and Regan from his play King Lear. Introduction. Goneril and Regan, the elder daughters of King Lear in William Shakespeare's tragedy King Lear, are central antagonists whose deceit, ambition and ruthless pursuit of power drive much of the play's conflict. Their betrayal of their father and eventual mutual destruction highlight themes of ambition, loyalty, and the destructive nature of power. This video explores the various dimensions of Goneril and Regan's characters, examining their motivations, manipulative tactics, and thematic significance, supported by relevant quotes from the play. Motivations and ambition. Goneril and Regan are motivated by a relentless ambition to gain power and control. From the beginning, their flattery of Lear during the love test is a calculated move to secure their inheritance and authority. In Act 1, Scene 1, Goneril professes her love for Lear. "Sir, I love you more than words can wield the matter. Dearer than eyesight, space, and liberty, beyond what can be valued, rich or rare, no less than life, will grace, health, beauty, honor." Regan echoes this sentiment, further showcasing their insincere flattery. "I am made of that self-metal as my sister, and prize me at her worth. In my true heart, I find she names my very deed of love, only she comes too short." Their exaggerated declarations of love contrast sharply with their later actions, revealing their deceitful nature and ambitious intentions. Deceit and betrayal. Goneril and Regan's deceit becomes evident as they quickly discard their father once they have secured their power. They undermine Lear's authority, strip him of his retinue, and ultimately drive him to madness. In Act 1, Scene 3, Goneril instructs her steward Oswald to be unkind to Lear. "Put on what weary negligence you please, you and your fellows, I'd have it come to question." This directive demonstrates Goneril's willingness to mistreat her father to assert her control. Ruthlessness and cruelty. Both sisters exhibit extreme ruthlessness and cruelty not only towards their father but also towards others. They conspire to blind Gloucester and pursue their own selfish interests with no regard for loyalty and morality. In Act 3, Scene 7, Regan participates in blinding of Gloucester. "Hang him instantly. Pluck out his eyes." Their willingness to commit such brutal acts highlights their moral corruption and unrestrained pursuit of power. Mutual destruction. Goneril and Regan's alliance eventually dissolves into mutual hatred and rivalry, particularly over their shared affection for Edmund. Their jealousy and ambition lead them to seek each other's destruction. In Act 5, Scene 1, Goneril expresses her jealousy and desire to eliminate Regan. "I had rather lose the battle than that sister should loosen him and me." This mutual antagonism culminates in their mutual destruction, with Goneril poisoning Regan and subsequently committing suicide. Thematic significance. The characters of Goneril and Regan embody several key themes in King Lear, including the corrupting influence of power, the consequences of betrayal, and the destructive nature of unchecked ambition. Their actions and the resulting chaos underscore the play's exploration of familial loyalty and the moral consequences of ambition. In Act 5, Scene 3, the tragic outcomes of their schemes become evident as Albany laments, "This judgment of the heavens that makes us tremble touches not with pity." This reflection emphasizes the broader moral implications of Goneril and Regan's actions and the ultimate futility of their ruthless pursuit of power. Conclusion: Goneril and Regan in King Lear are characters driven by deceit, ambition, and a ruthless quest for power. Their betrayal of their father and their eventual self-destruction serve as a cautionary tale about the dangers of unchecked ambition and the moral corruption that accompanies the pursuit of power. Through their actions, Shakespeare explores themes of loyalty, betrayal, and the destructive potential of ambition, cementing Goneril and Regan as two of his most memorable and complex antagonists. So this was the discussion on the characters of Goneril and Regan from William Shakespeare's play King Lear. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other play. Until then, goodbye and thank you.